Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
How are you? Our team will all chart analysis uploaded tomorrow. Today we check about gold chart. This is our daily chart of gold last night. Yesterday, our team analysis of gold and our target was 4,950. Today market hit the target. And now we again check next move of gold. And what is the next target of gold chart? Look this all Nancy. You already know our team now remove. Bullish breakout really base job supply area higher. High low low. Q and bullish engulfing breakout with bullish candle blue. Blue we apply here Fibonacci high to low. This was our reversal zone 161, but market breakout this area. And not yet any British sign available yet. So now we expect our next target is 5,340. So now we check small chart and look. Which place we have a demand area. And we think about buy from demand. And our next target will be 5,340 because market have so much bullish pressure. And market breakout 161 reversal zone of Fibonacci. So now our next target is 4,661 reversal zone of Fibonacci. We check now H1, H4 and 3O chart. This is our H4 chart. Now we look here really base, really resistance area. First candle bullish market not breakdown sweep. But not closing down.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
This is our low and this was our high. We play here Fibonacci high to low. Our first target was this in H4 chart. And our second target was this in H4 chart 4. 9084 9304 94 5 market breakout this area. Also look and closing above of the high. Market breakout this previous high. And with closing bullish candle below. We apply here Fibonacci high to low. This is our low and this is our high. And we find our next target. Look, we apply here Fibonacci high to low. And now we find our next target 5,0165058 161 reversal zone. And this is our 261 reversal area 517 752 01. And now we check H1 and 3O chart and we find really base. Really demand area or SN are with bullish engulfing. And we can find here point of interesting. This is our H1 chart, look here. Drop base, drop supply area breakout. And same, where is the supply area? Same on the front. really base, really demand area. So this is our SNDS and our area, and there are also base area. So we wait here buy. Market when reached here. We take entry buy and we wait in M30 chart. Bullish engulfing. Initial break by dominant break by higher high, lower low QM. And we take entry buy and our first target will be 5016 and our second target will be 5200. But we take entry buy from here and our stop loss will be low of this support area.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.